The pelvic floor in the body is a very important set of muscles. They are acting as a hammock at the bottom of the torso, holding your lower organs in. And firming these muscles and maintaining them helps to reduce incontinence and enhances sexual pleasure. Some very good reasons for keeping your pelvic floor strong. And this is an exercise that can really help you start to tune into your pelvic floor. It's called the pelvic tilt and moves into a bridge posture in yoga terms called Sethu Bandhasana. We're going to keep it dynamic, which means we're keeping it moving. So if you want to lay on your mat or on the floor, have your knees bent, feet hip width apart. I'm going to take my arms out to the side just so that you can see what's going on in this part of the body. What you're going to do is you're going to breathe in through the nose, take the breath as low down towards the belly as possible, and notice how this lower back curves. And then you're going to exhale, and as you exhale you're going to squeeze the tummy muscles back and flatten that lower back into the mat. And then you inhale and you release that pressure, allow the natural curve to return, and then exhale and squeeze. So just try that with me a couple more times. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. Okay, so we're going to add on something to that. We're going to make a dynamic bridge. So you're going to inhale and exhale, contract the tummy muscles back. But this time when you breathe in, you're going to peel that lower back off the mat, roll up the spine, lifting the back of the floor until you rest on your shoulders, and then you're going to exhale and peel down again and start the process again. So you breathe in to prepare, let the curve return in the back, exhale, squeeze the tummy muscles back, inhale, peel the tailbone and vertebra off the mat, and then exhale and peel down. Now you're going to notice you're also working your glutes here. Try this a couple more times. Exhale, squeeze the tummy muscles back, which is also activating the pelvic floor. Then you inhale, lift up, and exhale down. And again, inhale, squeeze, lift that pelvis up, and exhale down. And now I just want you to add one more thing. What you're going to do is you're going to squeeze your sphincter and your urethra. So it's as if you're trying to stop yourself going to the toilet, as well as sucking the tummy muscles back. Okay, I'm going to bring my arms alongside the body, and you're going to work with me now. Take a breath in and exhale, and then inhale and squeeze the sphincter, urethra, the core, and exhale down. And you can keep squeezing the sphincter and the urethra, and one more. Exhale, squeeze, lift, and exhale down. Okay, great. And then you're just going to draw the knees in, give yourself a squeeze, and come up to sitting. So practicing that a few times a week is going to really, really help you strengthen that pelvic floor, that hammock sitting at the bottom of your torso, and support you in the years to come. Enjoy.